On August 27, God saw John Gilbert walking in the garden, happy, but in the face of John he cannot hide the emptiness he felt inside. So, on that day, God created Clarice Joy to be John's best friend and wife, and they lived happily. One day, God said, "Both of you are beautiful people. I will bless you a child." On August 27, 2012, Clarice receives God's wonderful gift. She gave birth to a son, and they named him John Gerald, for he is God's vision. To be continued. Oops, may nakibakas. One day, Clarice prayed to God if she can have another sibling. On August 29, 1999, God answered her prayer. A beautiful and smart baby was born, and they call her Charizjana, for God is gracious. Tama na nga ang kwento, ito na ang mga pagbati mula sa inyong mga kaibigan. Greetings from M2M.
Happy birthday, Clarice JJ Jana. Happy birthday, Clarice JJ Jana. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Clarice JJ Jana. Happy birthday, we love you.
Greetings from Senator Bato de la Rosa and family.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Ninang Clarice, Kuya JJ, and Tita Jana. See you on Sunday.
See you on
God
Sunday.
bless.
God
Thank you for
bless.
inviting us.
Bye-bye. We love you so much.
Pagbati mula kay Inday Sara Duterte.
Happy birthday, Kuya JJ and Jana. May the Lord continue to answer all your prayers, good health, and happiness lagi. And to my soul sister, happy birthday. Thank you kasi lahat ng mga rant or marites ko, kakampi kita. May God continue to bless you and make you the happiest. Although ginagawa naman na ni Janjan yon. And have a good health lagi kasi marami pa tayong kaping uubusin. I love you guys!
Pagbati mula kay Raymart Santiago.
Maligayang kaarawan, Clarice, Jana at JJ. Panalangin ko na patuloy kayong pagpalain ng Panginoon sa lahat ng gawain at aspeto ng buhay ninyo. Patuloy lang kayong magpagamit para sa kanyang gawain para maging daluyan kayo ng kanyang pagpapala. Maligayang kaarawan muli at enjoy your special day.
Greetings from Miguel Benjamin of Ben and Ben.
Hello, happy birthday sa inyong tatlo, Clar, JJ, and Jana. At kami ay natutuwa at we are blessed at nakasama namin kayo sa God Squad. At nawa ay pagpalain pa kayo ni Lord in every way possible sa inyong buhay. And may He grant you more and more blessings sa health, sa family, and may He give you wisdom kay JJ sa pag-aaral niya and then sa inyong mga trabaho for Clara and Jana. At nawa ay patuloy kayo niya na ingatan sa araw-araw. And again, happy birthday sa inyong tatlo. God bless you all.
Greetings from Mutya.
Hello, Ninang Clarice and Kuya JJ. May the Almighty shower your life with lots of happiness and blessings. Wishing you both a great birthday, and once again, happy birthday! I love you!
Greetings from Bimbi Yap.
Happy birthday, JJ, Tita Clarice, and Tita Jana. Wishing you po a fantastic day filled with joy and memorable moments. God bless you all po.
Malayo man sila, pinapadama pa din nila ang kanilang pagmamahal.
Hello! Happy birthday, Ate, Jana, and JJ. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Miss ko na kayo dyan, lahat kayo, miss ko na kayo. Sana'y magkasabay-sabay tayo ng bakasyon para magkasama-sama ulit. Lagi ko kayong pagdadasal. Ingat kayo. Love you all.
Happy birthday, JJ, Jana, and Dimple. And just enjoy your day today. And always remember that I'm always here for all of you. I love you all.
Hello mga anak. Ito na yung much-awaited day. Hindi ako mabuti sa celebration ninyo. Sa panganay ko, kay Dimple, happy birthday anak. Salamat sa lahat ng paggabay mo at pagtulong sa mga kapatid mo at sa papa. Okay, baby JJ, 11 ka na. Pero baby pa rin ang tawag ko sa'yo. Happy birthday anak. At lagi kang magpapakabuti diyan ha. Maging mabuting kuya lagi kay Hope. At mabuting anak kay daddy at kay mami. Miss ko na kayo. Sa aking bunso, kay Jana. Happy birthday bunso. Alam ko, okay ka na ngayon. Okay na. At proud ako sa'yo sa mga naging decision mo this past few days sa buhay mo. Ginabayan ka ni Lord sa tamang desisyon. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan anak. Mag-ingat kayong lagi ha. At enjoy your celebration kasama ng mga mababait niyong mga kaibigan. Happy birthday mga anak. God bless you all. I love you all.
Happy birthday mga bunso, Dimple, Jana, and baby JJ. Stay good health. I love you all and I miss you all.
Pagbati mula kay Dingdong Dantes.
Happy birthday, Jana. Happy birthday, Janinay. God bless you more at saka simula pa lang ng iyong pagiging OFW. Good luck sa iyong career and always remember na nandito lang kaming family mo to support you. Happy birthday, baka naman. Happy birthday, Georgie. Happy birthday, Georgie. Happy birthday, Kuya. I love you. God bless you po. I'm always here to support you po. I love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Mami. I love you. Ang wish ko lang kay Lord, lagi kong pinagpipray na bigyan pa tayo ng maraming anak. Joke lang. Pinagpipray ko na lagi kang bigyan ng maayos na kalusugan and comfort lagi. Maalis na yung mga allergies mo at nawa ay bigyan ka pa ng malakas na pangangatawan ni Lord. I love you so much and always remember na I'm always here for you. I'm always here to support you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Clarice, JJ, and Jana. Mahal namin kayo. Mwah, mwah, mwah.